Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you beautiful hair accessories for parties and weddings. There are a lot of wedding hairstyles, guys, as you guys all know. Buns, messy and twisted updos, braids, bobs and waves are all on the table. You also consider a few of the more modern styles like fishtail essence, side swept or short sides with voluminous tops. Adorned with a pearl and silver pin for elegance. You may also consider a French roll for your natural bob. But if your theme is beachy or garden inspired, an airy wave is perfect. Guys, must watch my video till the end. This is very informative video for you. So please do not miss any haircut, hairstyle, and if you want to get this look, take a screenshot of the accessory which you like and you get it from any market near you. After watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. Guys, if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts, share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and get the amazing ideas and watch amazing videos for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos and share them with your family members and friends. So guys, that's all in this video. Please watch this video till the end. This is very informative video for you all. So please watch it till the end and show some love.